Hi everyone, welcome back to another short tutorial. In today's short tutorial, I'm going to show you how to improve your Windows 11 search box or how to enable the enhanced search options in Windows 11. Default Windows search bar only searches from C drive and the all apps which are installed in C drive. So to enhance the search bar, just click on Start, then click on Settings, then click on Privacy and Security, and here look for Search. Go down here, you will see the option Advanced Indexing Options. Click on it, click on Modify. So here you can include and exclude the drives. So I will select both C and D and then click OK, then close. If we go up here, the default search type is classic. We will select enhanced, and here we can also add a excluded folder as soon we enable advanced indexing options. On the right top corner, you will see indexed and pending. So basically the system is creating a list of your files and apps and folders for search, and this list of file folders and apps will be saved locally on your computer. So this way you can enable enhanced search box for Windows 11. So that's it for today. See you in the next video.